Okay, so working on this 2020 Supra, we're gonna put this downpipe on there.
And so now we have the O2 sensors undone.
They connect
from right here.
Yeah.
There's the two wires right here. We've undone the V-band, which is right here, connecting to the back of the turbo.
Okay, and
he's loosened the bolt you can see from here, down at the bottom.
Oh, so, no, over here. Yeah, we're down there.
Yep, right down there at the bottom.
Got that all undone.
And now it's with the exhaust system loosened and slid back.
There's an aluminum bracket that runs the width of the car. We just got to undo two hangers under here, and the exhaust is unhooked.
It sucks so bad.
All right, so we got the exhaust off. We don't have a lift. We're working just under the car. It's a little bit of a bitch. We just had trouble getting this piece separated. Still haven't done it, but we got it apart. So let's see. She fought us for all she's got. Let me put this down. You need me to hand you those wires?
No, I'm just trying to get that clip hooked on. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah.
The clip on those bolts.
Kind of tricky. Do you need to put that on the exhaust side?
There, we're on. Just that clip's not all the way on.
I'll hold it.
There we go.
Good?
Yep.
There she is. She's in.
Now we have this V-band clamp.
All right. New downpipes in. A lot easier to put in than to take out. Now we got to stick the rest back in and check for leaks, and we're good to go. Okay. All right. We got the exhaust put back on.
Did you plug in that exhaust valve?
Oh.
Valve at the back?
Let me plug that in real quick. The little baffle. Sounds pretty good. All right, downpipe is installed. We're gonna take it for a test drive. So this particular car has been lowered 1 inch. We put 1 inch lowering springs, H&R, and then it's got a ECU flash on it.
It's got the whole secondary computer.
Secondary computer. 430 horse, 500 foot-pounds of torque. She gets down. So is that in sport mode or just regular?
Regular.
Now this is sport. Oh yeah. You know what? You know.
That's with traction control on, obviously. So that kicked on. So we kick traction control off. head.
Yeah, this thing's badass.
Holy shit, it's fast.
And it sounds so good. Oh. Crack your window a little bit. I just wanted to hear that. That sounds...
I'm trying. There, both windows.
Dude, this thing is so fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's awesome.
That is just trippy.
So this is, what are you doing here?
I was doing the launch.